Hey guys, running Kimono. Before we dive into the Walgreens matchups, we're going to talk really quickly about this company, SMARTDEVIL, and this is their smart humidifier. Very small and sleek, and it really adds moisture into the air. These were sent to me for a review, and I gotta say, this is a really cool humidifier. If you are in a colder climate, or if it just gets really dry in the winter months, it's really nice to have a bit of moisture in the air. This is small, compact, and it's just a great humidifier. I have been using it for the last month and a half, and it is absolutely tremendous. And what a great little design too. They also sent me this cool little space heater. If you have an area that you just need, a little bit of heat, you plug this thing in, and within seconds it'll really heat up a room. And it's kind of a fun space heater because you can actually change the lights around to have a whole bunch of different colors and stuff. It just makes it a little more fun. And you have a remote control, and then you also have the option to use the buttons on the top of the heater. But just a great little thing, especially in the winter months. If you are, just have a space or a room that's a bit cooler, you might want to invest in one of these because it's really great to heat up your home. And also just to show you the buttons at the top of the heater, and there's also a little handle. So it's quite tremendous. I've had this for the last month, no complaints, and I use it actually in my office every morning, and I really love it. Okay, so SMARTDEVIL absolutely loves Extreme Couponer, so they're providing you guys with 2 coupon codes for both the heater and the humidifier, both terrific products. So if you guys are interested, please check out the link in the notes. And they're also based on Amazon, so a little bit of ease of shopping for you guys. Check them out if you're interested. Really cool company. Alrighty guys, so as you know, the Christmas clearance hit 70%. The rumor on the street is that on January the 14th, which is a Thursday, it's supposed to be 90% off. If there is anything left, possibly, maybe. For sure, what I'm going to do, guys, is if you want to follow me on Instagram, my name's there, Photo Rachel, go give me a follow. I'll put any information I have Thursday morning to let you guys know yay or nay if it's working. Also, these digital coupons have been showing up. This one is for next week, so from the 10th to the 16th. It's $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $55. That is a big one. But hey, it's better than, I guess, a kick in the pants. Go to your digital coupons folder in the household account if you might have them. Not every account gets them. And this one's valid from the 7th to the 13th, so it breaks it up in 2 weeks. And there was a 5 off of 25 and then a 10 off of 30. For these ones, you can use Walgreens cash. For the other one with the word spend, you have to pay cash for the balance. So yeah, just a little bit of something there. Load these boosters so you can get extra savings at Walgreens. Okay, guys, so this is from the 10th to the 16th of January. Deals of the week, we're going to go through those one by one. There is a BOGO free on vitamins if you're trying to get healthy in the new year, and a whole bunch of other products. Even though it's kind of a sleepy week, you never know with Walgreens. Sometimes the week that we say nothing's going on, it's the week that all hell breaks loose. First deal is with the paper products. I can't stress it enough, guys, to build up a little stockpile of this stuff, especially after everything that we've gone through in the last year. A BOGO 50% off on these products. Well, that's a really great price point. Grabbing 2 toilet papers, $5 for the first. The second one is 50% of that. That's $7.50. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash. You're paying $2.50 for the 2, which is a really inexpensive price. Yes, you're losing $5 of Walgreens cash, but I still think it's a smart deal. The next little dealio that we have is 4 for $8, and it says must buy all. It doesn't mean that you have to buy 1 of each. It just means that you have to buy 4 to get it for that price point. So you can buy all of one, or grab 1 of each, or grab 2 of one and then 2 of the other, but make sure that you're grabbing it in increments of 4. If you might have 2 of these floating around from various deals in the last week or so, I would use 2 of them for this deal. Why not? You have nothing to lose. Because these expire after 2 weeks, so use them or lose them. So grabbing 4 P&G products at $2 a pop, well, that's 8 on the nose. Subtracting 2 $4 register rewards, you're paying tax for your basket. So this is a really great price point. The Downy fabric softener or the dryer sheets are 2 products I probably would grab. To get it for this price point. Yes, you're losing 2 register rewards, but it's a really good, product to have in your stockpile. Okay, so the next product that we have is the All or Snuggle, $2.88. There's going to be a dollar digital coupon on Sunday, dropping it down to $1.88, not the worst price. Also, if you might have gotten the January 3rd Retail Me Not, there's a $2 coupon. First one is to use this $2 coupon for the packs. So grabbing one of those for $2.88, subtracting a $2 coupon, you're left with paying 88 cents. If you might have not received that insert, just grab one of them. On Sunday morning, you can load that dollar digital coupon. You're left with paying $1.88. Now, the All Snuggle products are typically, I think, like close to $6. So this is some pretty significant savings right here. Okay, now we have some free toothpaste. $2.99, $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these. So that's a really great little dealio, and $2.99, that's a great price point. In the Smart Source of January the 3rd, we have $1 off. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $5.98. Subtracting $2 coupons from the Smart Source of January the 3rd, you're left with paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it, and you'll still get back your register reward. Okay, so we have another freebie here with the Bic Soleil, this razor. It's on a BOGO 50% off, and then a $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. We have this $4 coupon in this upcoming weekend's insert. It'll be in the Smart Source of January the 10th. We can use 2 of them as per the Bic verbiage of this coupon. So grabbing 2 of these guys on a BOGO 50% off, that's $10.18. Subtracting 2 $4 coupons from the January 10th insert, that's $8 off right there. You're left with paying $2.18 out of pocket, getting back $3 of Walgreens cash. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you will still earn it for this scenario. Okay, so this goofy coupon showed up for me this morning, which is $1 off 2, and as you can see, the single serve is there. At Walgreens, the single serves are 99 cents, so for 2 of them, that's $1.98. Subtracting that $1 off 2 coupon, I'm paying 98 cents for the 2, or 49 cents per candy bar. If you love Snickers, I think this is a really great little deal. So this is just a pantry deal I think that anyone should do. If you have that register reward from the Colgate deal or one floating around, I think it's a really good use of that. So just utilizing one of these with this deal. And then if you go over to your coupons.com account, you're getting back 50 cents for the purchase of one Jif product. So why not apply for that after everything's said and done? So grabbing 2 of these Jif peanut butters, that's 4 on the nose, use a $4 register reward or $4 in Walgreens cash, and then make that 50-cent applications to the coupons.com app. It is a loss of $3.50, but if you think about it, this is a great item to have to stock up your stockpile for the long winter months. Okay, guys, another great little dealio is with these DiGiorno pizzas. They are 2 for $10, regularly $5.99, so there's 99-cent savings. The IBOTTA rebate is at Walmart only, just to note that. It doesn't go over to Walgreens. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, I would use $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it on your store card. Yes, it is a loss of $10 of Walgreens cash, but you have a little something in your freezer, in the long winter months, or if you just come home from work and don't want to cook. I think it's a really smart buy, just to get a little something for your freezer and your pantry. Okay, so let's talk about some honorable mentions right now. We have a BOGO free on the different spaghettis by Barilla and Prego, and we have a little bit of pesto sauce too. So I always love when they have this promotion too. You can always get inexpensive pasta. This little flyer coupon, you just scan it to get the foil or the plates, really inexpensive. I believe you can also load that digitally starting Sunday morning. It's going to be a coupon. The dial, $1 back of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Will we be able to find any of this dial on clearance? Lots of stuff has been on clearance in that beauty aisle, like shampoo, that sort of stuff. Maybe that might be a deal. The native deodorant and dental care, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. Will some of this be on clearance, and possibly could we line up a deal? That's kind of up in the air, but that would be really nice. And then the Always 2 for $10. There's going to be a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, so it would make it $5 for 2, or $2.50 for this these liners and pads. If that's a good stock up price for you, absolutely pounce on it. It is still a little bit though. But yeah, I mean it's better than paying full price, that is for sure. And then the vitamins are on a buy one, get one free. It is that time of the year where they want you to get healthy and to start, buying vitamins. So that is, not a bad little deal. If you need to stock up on supplements or vitamins, this is definitely the price point you want to be paying. And then also they have this interesting thing where it's $10 back when you spend 30, so you'd have to pay cash for the balance, but it's a whole bunch of different like vitamins. And I think with Nature's Made or one of them with that in it, or Nature's Bounty, they make them all sound similar. There's an Ibotta rebate for one of those, so you might want to check your Ibotta account because that might be some extra money. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!